All right, everybody shut the fuck up. All right, Jesse, first fire up Trans Am. How are you feeling now?
I think that we got it right. Fucking finally. It's got new lifters, new push rods. We have 75 pounds of oil pressure on cold start. It gets to over 100. So we might be able to actually run some thinner oil in this thing. Yeah. It makes more horsepower.
So the big dog 2050?
Yeah, we might be able to run like some 1030 in here like a normal car.
Daily driver status, buddy.
But everything's quieter. The valve chain's quieter. Now that it's got oil at the rockers. I mean, the lifters are quieter now that they're just not those shit dog Thompson lifters. I mean, everything is fucking tits.
Tits, baby.
Yeah, I can't wait to get like the rest exhaust on, get it on the rollers, make some stink.
Yeah, bud.
Hell yeah. So
Trans Am rebuild number 75. All right. First fire, Trans Am. Take number 75.
Yeah.